Sprinkle joy with the 10 watering options hose nozzle. This is a review of the 10 watering options hose nozzle, available in a variety of vibrant colors, including pink, purple, and even orange. I decided to invest in this product because I wanted a versatile garden sprayer that could handle a variety of watering tasks around my home. From delicate plant watering to giving my car a quick wash, this nozzle seems like the perfect all-in-one solution. As someone with horses, a farm, dogs, cats, and chickens to care for, having a reliable hose nozzle is essential for maintaining their well-being. The 10 watering options feature allows me to efficiently water my plants, wash my car, clean my animals' living areas, and even give my animals a refreshing bath when needed. It's like having multiple tools in one, saving me time and effort. The easy grip design with an on-off thumb control is a game changer. I no longer have to strain my hand or wrist while using the nozzle. Even during extended watering sessions, the thick rubberized handle provide a comfortable and non-slip grip, ensuring precise control over the water flow, even when my hands are wet or the temperatures fluctuate. In conclusion, this hose nozzle is a must-have for anyone who values convenience, versatility, and comfort in their gardening and cleaning tools. Whether you're a seasoned gardener or a pet owner or a farm enthusiast like myself, this nozzle is a perfect fit for any garden hose. Say goodbye to cumbersome watering tasks and hello to effortless watering bliss. With this fantastic product, I highly recommend the 10 watering options hose nozzle.